absolutely terrible with my wigs on this trip, but that's okay. They still got me the synthetic wigs, keep their shape, so it'll be fine. I've not worn my Regina yet in the Swiss lace, the natural CBB, so I think she might be the one today. So shout out to my fit, you guys. This is from Boutique 23 in Bismarck. It has kept me clothed from my previous trip to this trip. Very, very cute stuff and available online, so a little shout out as we go and put them away. I'm pretty sure Katie here in this Sunlit Brunette is almost sold out, if not already sold out. I'll throw her on. She actually could be a really good contender because the length is perfect for travel. Shoot! I try not to start like so strong, but I freaking love her. Okay, we're gonna keep her off to the side. We're not gonna fully pack her yet. Decision made, she's already sold out, so unfortunately, here she goes. I'm gonna put a little bit of smaller knit on her to save it for my Jettas. Okay, sad day. I have a lot of Katie's being made though, a lot of Katie's. I am a monster. I can't believe I did this to these wigs. I didn't bring any crown spray with me this time. I'm not a pre-packer. I'm just not. I'm usually an unpack the suitcase when you're packing another suitcase. So I did not bring that with me this time. I did bring an Unbrush though. However, I think just a little finger combing here, it's gonna be perfectly fine. She is a Swiss lace, and you guys have been loving the Swiss lace, which makes me so freaking happy. So definitely going to be making more of that. I think this could be a really good contender today because it's nice and straight, and I think it'll be just really easy to wear. I don't have to worry too much about like the curls bunching up or anything. I'm right in front of that perfect lighting here, or right on the river, and it just reflects so beautifully. This is an option. I'm just so mad that I start off with it, Katie, and she looks so damn good, but this is really cute and sleek as well. This summer Cassidy is probably not going to make the cut. I had her styled and I never took it out. Do that here. This one is available in the TikTok shop. Okay, damn. Maybe another good option. Let's just finesse her a little bit. Dang, this is cute too. I'm not doing very well. Okay, we have 3 more to go. Worn a ton, so I feel like I should reach for something that I haven't reached for a lot. This is Cassie, natural CBB. I wore it to the airport the first day. No makeup. I was very tired that morning. It was right after our 8-hour mega live. Also, darling, we have our Jettas here. I don't think I'll wear these. Famous last words, right? Shoot. Also so pretty. And she is Swiss lace. One more. I'm supposed to be packing these away and I'm not doing that. This has been very difficult. It's definitely gonna need some TLC when I get home. I have been wearing her with a scarf and a winter coat a lot. So she's gonna need a bath when we get home. So damn pretty. Yeah, I just know that she needs a little TLC. So this is a no. Oh gosh, I also need a self-tan. You can tell when the hands start not looking anything like the face. Also, look at that amazing snowflake. I randomly went to this place yesterday. I thought I was going to a place called Classy Nails, that is like a Bismarck staple. And we put in the GPS and it was this place called Pineapple Nails. I'm like, I feel like I'm not in the right place. And Tom, shout out, I'm definitely going to be able to come go there if I need my nails done, because he whipped out this snowflake so fast, did a fill in like 45 minutes. It was crazy. So shout out to Tom, Pineapple Nails. The Jetta and the Sharpay away, because again, just something more easy for travel. I don't know, between the summer Cassidy or the Cassie or the Regina, who do I want to be today? We must narrow it down. I gotta figure this out.